Blend your way to a better you. 3 easy smoothie recipes. Want to supercharge your health, conquer cravings, and nourish your body in just minutes? Let's whip up some incredibly delicious and nutritious smoothies using ingredients readily available at your local U.S. grocery store. Whether you're jump-starting your day or recovering post-workout, these smoothie recipes are bursting with essential nutrients, amazing flavor, and fat-burning potential. Get ready to explore 3 simple, clean, and incredibly tasty recipes you'll want to make every single day. First up, we have the Green Power Detox. This is your go-to smoothie for banishing bloating, supporting healthy digestion, and boosting your energy levels. Here's what you need: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 frozen banana, 1/2 green apple, chopped, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, and a few ice cubes. Blend until smooth. It's light, refreshing, and packed with fiber and antioxidants. A true health powerhouse. Health tip: spinach is a fantastic source of vitamins A and C, crucial for immune support. Next, let's fuel those muscles with the Blueberry Protein Boost. This smoothie is designed to aid muscle recovery and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Ingredients: 1/2 cup frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1/2 cup water or oat milk, and 1 tablespoon almond butter. Blend it up and enjoy a creamy, protein-packed treat. Recipe tutorial: for an extra creamy texture, freeze your Greek yogurt in ice cube trays beforehand. This one is perfect for those busy mornings. Meet the strawberry oatmeal breakfast shake. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. You'll need 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup low-fat milk or almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, and a dash of cinnamon. This smoothie tastes like a healthy milkshake and keeps you energized for hours. Health tip: oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Pro tip: always keep a stash of frozen fruits in your freezer. They're affordable, last longer, and make your smoothies cold and thick without needing tons of ice. And there you have it, 3 easy, healthy smoothies using common U.S. ingredients you can find at Walmart, Whole Foods, or even Target. Ready to transform your health, one delicious smoothie at a time? Try one of these recipes today and let us know in the comments which one you'll make first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more healthy recipes, home workouts, and wellness tips, only on Prime Fit Flow. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts now.